everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So today I will be solving another numerical, that is this is the numerical which I have already solved for OSPF. Now today I will solve the same numerical for static routing as well as EIGRP as well as RIP. I will be using this same numerical, but the commands will be different. So let me show you how to do static routing in this routing infrastructure. So let me first of all open the packet tracer file. In this file only IP addresses are assigned to every routers. Only IP addresses are assigned. So now I will be using OSP, not OSPF, sorry, I will be here now using static routing protocols. So in the static routing protocol, see, only in this diagram the IPs are being assigned to each and every routers and each and every PC, but the routing protocols are not provided here. So even I can show you that if I will do ping from here to here, it has been failed. So it means that no any routing protocol is there, because if the routing protocol will be present, then that will become successful. See, failed. So let me provide the static routing protocols. First of all, let me go to the router 1, and in the router 1, first of all let me go to the command line interface, and in the command line interface, first of all enable config T, and I have actually provided the IP by the help of console. So it's not necessary to provide the IP address here by the help of command line interface. So I will be skipping that topic because I have already provided IP by the help of console. Now I will provide IP static routing configuration, that is IP route so here I will provide IP route. No, before typing the net IP address, I need to first of all show you clearly that what I will be typing it here. See, this is the router 1. This router 1 is connected to network number 1 and network number 3. In the gigabit ethernet 0/0/1, the network 1 is present, and in the gigabit ethernet 0/10, the network 3 is present. So remember that except these two networks, I will be configuring this router for all other networks, because these two are directly connected. So for the directly connected interfaces, I don't have to do anything. Only I have to configure for those which are not directly connected, like network number 2, network number 10, this one, then this network number, then this and this are directly connected. Then I have to do for this one, then this and this. So, but remember, let me show for first of all network number 2. So network number 2 I will be configuring, and also you have to remember that this network number means this router will pass the hello packet up to this network by the help of this route, that is gigabit ethernet 0/1. So I'll write IP route 0. In OSPF I have to provide wildcard mask, but here I have to provide subnet mask. Okay, via, so let me show you in the diagram. See, I have provided this one via, see this one is the network, so this router will connect with this network via this interface GA, gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Okay, it's done for 2. Now let me do for 4. Now again IP route 4, subnet mask is same, then that route it will go to this route via gigabit Ethernet 0. Okay, it is also done. Now next let me provide for these two network, that is enable, sorry, IP route 10.1, 10 10 10 1 10 1 0 0, but here the subnet mask is 24, CID number is 24, so here it will be 255.255.0, and it will again go through this gigabit Ethernet, because this router will communicate with all the routers. Like this one will communicate with this path via this one will communicate with this via this one again it will pass the message via this, then via this, so this one will be the interface gigabit Ethernet 0. Okay, done. Now for 10.2, done. So it's done for all network. I have done for this 2 network, then 4 network, 10.1 network, 10.2 network, and this one is directly connected, and this one I don't have to do for this one, but rest 2 is present, this one and this one is present, so I have to do for now 5 network. So 5 via gigabit Ethernet. See, but you have to remember one thing, this 5 network, this router 1 can reach, that can pass via this route or it can pass via this route. So here gigabit Ethernet 0/1 is a bit longer route, so I will be providing here the shorter route, that is gigabit Ethernet via this route, that is gigabit Ethernet 0/1 0 0 1 0. Or I can do one thing, I will provide both the routes, but I will provide the administrative distance value, AD value, as let me show you that if these are the 2 routes, that is if this router can connect with this router via this route as well as via this route, both the routes, but if I will provide the administrative value, 2 administrative value, let me provide one administrative value as 10 and another administrative distance value as 20. The route with the lowest administrative distance value will be it will be preferred most. So let me provide this route as administrative value distance and administrative distance value as 10. Then again I will provide the same route with gigabit Ethernet 0/1 with the administrative distance value as 20. So now this route will be preferred most. Now let me do for routing for route number 6. Again for route number 6 it will be via for gigabit 20 and via route number 6 for 10. So I have done for all the routes. So I have done for router number 1. See, for router number 1 I have provided, see this one, remember that you have to remember that this route and this one are directly connected. Rest all I have to connect it via, so I have to connect to this network, I have to connect to this network, I have to connect to this network, then I have to connect to the 5 network, then I have to connect to the 6th network. So I have done for all. I have to even connect for this one. Only I don't have to do for this one and this one, because these two are directly, because these two networks are directly connected. Similarly for router number 2, this one is directly connected, this one is directly connected, and this one is directly connected. So I don't have to do for these 3, I have to do for other, like I have to do for 3, 10, 2, 5 and 6. But another one command is there, which I will show you now, that by using that single command the work will be done. So let me show you. So now let me move to the router number 2. Yeah, let me move to the router number 2. In the router number 2 I will provide enable, then config T, then after that I will do the configuration. Now let me move to the diagram. Now in this router number 2 I will be providing IP route. See, this is the command, all will be zeros, 000 and 000, and the route for this router number 2 will be, see, one route will be, I don't have to do for this one and this one. So for the router number 2 I will be providing the route via, for these two I will be providing via this route. So G010, so G0, 1 and 0. It means, what does it mean? It means that I have done the routing for both this as well as this, because I have provided this gigabit Ethernet 010 as the interface. See 0000000, because if I will provide 00 as IP and subnet mask, then the routing will be done automatically. I don't have to provide both 10.1 and 10.2. So this one is done. Then next one is, next I will provide as again IP route 0000 via for the another route. See, I have done for these two routers, yeah, these two network. Now I need to do for this one is directly connected, I don't have to do. Then I have to do for 4. See, this router will pass to this one and this one and this one via this gigabit Ethernet 00. So I will provide as gigabit Ethernet 0 0. Okay, done for router number 2. Now let me do for router number 3. Router number 2 is done. Now let me do for router number 3. command line interface, then enable, then config t IP route. See this 10 number interface and this, remember that this 10 and this 20 are directly connected to router number 3, and this 2 is also directly connected to router number 3. So I have to do for rest. So I have to do for rest of the router, rest of the network. That is, I have to do the configuration for router number. I have to do the configuration for this network, then this network, this and this. But remember that all are connected via this gigabit Ethernet 0, 1, 0. So I'll directly write as in the router number 3. I'll directly write 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 gigabit Ethernet 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 via this, via the route. Which route? Via the route 0, 1, 0, via the route 0, 1, 0. Done. Now let me move to router number 4. Now let me move to the router number 4. In this router number 4, I need to do IP route. Then what are the various part? In router number 4, the parts are, see, this one is directly connected, this is directly connected, this is directly connected, and this one is directly connected. So I have to do the routing for all other networks. What are the other networks? IP route 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 255.255.255.252 via gigabit Ethernet 0/0, via gigabit Ethernet 0/0. So I have done for this one via this route. Done. No, sorry, yeah, done. Next, IP route I will provide for 2 via the same route, that is gigabit 0/0. ठीक है, done. Now what are the 3 other routes? That is 10.1 and 10.2. Now I will do for 10.1 250 or 255 because its subnet CID number is cashless inter-domain routing number is 24. So I will provide directly as gigabit Ethernet 250 via G0/0 via 0/0. Done. Now I will provide for 2. Done. So everything is done. I have configured for this network, this and this for router number 4. Now for router number 5 and router number 6. So let me move to, I have done for router number 4. Now let me move to the router number 5. So remember that either I can provide all as I have done in router number 1 and in router number 4, or I can simply provide the same trick as 0/0/0/0 IP as well as subnet mask as 0/0/0/0 and only one only one interface I will provide via which the routing will be done, or I can provide all the path. Now in the router number 5 I will directly provide only for 0000, such as enable config t. In router number 5 I will do IP route 0000 and this one will pass through serial number 000. Done. This is the only command. I don't have to repeat for all the networks. Done in router number 5. Now in router number 6, enable config t. Now I will paste, or only I will write here 0001 in router number 6. Done. Now let me check whether the network is working or not. Successful. So this is how statically I have done the routing. Failed. Why it is failed? Let me check once again. Successful. See, actually it takes some time, but as I have done the static routing of all the routers, so it will never fail, as I am 100% sure. It may fail in the first moment, but after that it will be successful. Yeah, see, successful. So this is how static routing is done. So if anybody has any problem regarding this, you can write in the comment section and you can ask me, or any kind of question or doubt if you have, then you can directly mention it in the command in the comment section. And if you have liked the video, then you can press the like button, and thanks for watching my video.